Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. All right, wanted to do I do these updates daily. All right, so there's no particular reason that I wanted to cover it, but in general with Solana, I mean we've been a bit bullish. All right, we've gotten some bullish momentum. The state of the network is still the success rate is going up a little bit. But the network is still not ideal to use, which I also, it was 2 days ago I think that I tried to do some transactions, which were also not amazing. It is still possible. I mean, you can still use the network, but you need to keep your eyes on it. All right. It's not all bots, all right? If you actually use the network, you will find out that sometimes the transactions just do not get through. But all right now Solana in general, and we already talked about this yesterday, has been relatively bullish over the course of yesterday. So what we did is we found some strong support at 170, strong support level, 382 FIB, 200 EMA, beautiful. Reclaimed 174, and since then we've been relatively bullish. But the thing is, and this is also what we talked about yesterday, Bitcoin right now is actually pretty bullish, right? But it is the weekend. Price movement in a weekend cannot really be trusted. And if we look at Solana on its own, if we and we look at the open interest, for example, well, can I do this? Yeah. So if you look at the open interest, for example, it has gone up a little bit, but it's still, in general, it's still in a range. So what that means is that sure, Solana is a bit bullish here, and I think it's most likely we will continue to be a bit more bullish up to 185 and 188, that level. Here in the middle. But if we really want to get a bullish Solana, the open interest needs to start rallying, all right? And the only way that will happen at this point of time, it seems at least, is if Bitcoin becomes very, very bullish. So that's something we'll still have to wait for today, all right? I think overall, if you look at Solana here, purely technically, I still do expect us to rally up to this level right here at like 184, 185, 186. But from that level, it really depends on Bitcoin, and it really depends on that open interest. The only way I think we can break above that is either if Bitcoin becomes very bullish and breaks back above 70,000, or if the open interest for Solana really starts moving up. So you have to keep your eyes on that, because under the current circumstances, if Bitcoin just stays right here and doesn't really move much, and the open interest stays in this consolidation, stays in this range, that means that Solana has no momentum and it's not really reacting much to Bitcoin. And probably if we look at Sol BTC, that has also dropped down quite a bit. So then we will not get a breakout. All right, it's easy as that. Then, can I look it up? Yeah. So then Solana will just find resistance at this level, drop back down to 170, and hopefully we'll hold that. Which is also uncertain, especially if Bitcoin does not become quite strong from here. So we'll have to wait for that, all right? This is what I think is most likely. At this point of time, I would say we'll find resistance there and drop back down to 174 and 170. And from there, we'll see again if Bitcoin becomes bullish or if Solana really gains some strong momentum, then we can break above that and rally up to 200. But for now, that's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care. And have a great rest of your Sunday.